Here's how you can delete Amazon's recent or old search history. Removing the browser or search history on Amazon is easy and simple. So here's how you can clear out Amazon's search or browsing history on your iPhone. So let's roll out. To delete history, first open the Amazon app, tap on Account tab, tap your account, scroll all the way down, tap Browsing History. Here you will see your browsing history. Now tap Manage History. Tap Remove all items from view. Tap Review, and your history will be deleted. So this is how you can delete browsing history on your Amazon account. Hope this video helps you out. If it did, then please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. See you in the next one. And as always, thanks for watching.